If you're looking for something that leaves a little bit more texture to your hair, not necessarily texturized, but it's not bone straight, this may be for you. And you're looking for something that's not using harsh chemicals, this may be for you, but it's worth noting. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And I want to say a hello to all my newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, third. We do not count around here. We don't keep tabs. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and all of my noobs, that's short for newbies, to come on in. Okay, so for today, we got a little interesting one, okay? You know, relaxers get a bad rap for not only being purportedly damaging to hair, but also because of its use of chemicals. Chemicals harsh enough to straighten and relax the curl or zigzags or whatever you want to call it, little curly cues, the natural texture of the hair. So a lot of people stay away from them. And I've shared with you guys that my mom, she doesn't particularly care for relaxers because of the latter reason, because of the chemicals. But what if there was a chemical-free option? A chemical-free option of relaxer, a legit option that was not only no-lye, it's no-lye, but also made of natural ingredients. Intrigued? Curious? Want to know more? Do tell. Well, if this sounds a little far-fetched, it's actually not. Because there happens to be such a product here on the market. It's been around for quite a while. And in fact, on my blog, one of you guys, and you know who you are, actually talked about this product and that you use it for yourself. So we're just going to jump right into it. And when I say chemical-free, I should say that it doesn't use harsh chemicals. So I'm gonna make that distinction. It does not use harsh chemicals. And not only is this a salon grade product, but also those of us who are kitchen beauticians, otherwise known as the everyday folk that do their own hair, it's readily available to us to purchase. No license required. So with that being said, and with that type of introduction, we're going to jump right into it. I am talking about none other than the PHYTOSpecific PHYTO Relaxer. And if you haven't guessed, the name of the company is called PHYTO. So PHYTO, P-H-Y-T-O, PHYTO. PHYTO is a French-based company that has been around since about 1969. So they're not a fly-by-night company. They have been vetted already, and they are already well known within the hair industry. Founded by Patrick Elias, forgive me if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, whose simple hair care philosophy and approach to hair care is rooted, a little pun there for you, is rooted in the restorative and healing power of plants. I mean, they have a vast range of products that address an array of hair issues, including thinning, from shampoos to hair masks to even supplements for hair and nails. Now, I myself, I have used their products before. I used to use their shampoo and conditioner. I believe it was the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and I liked it. I liked it a lot. It did well for my hair. My hair felt good, felt strong, and felt, you know, like it was full of body. And the only reason why I stopped using the PHYTO shampoos is simply because I was running through them. Their full-size bottles are a little smaller than normal full-size bottles. So I was just running right through them. So that's when I decided to try something else. But again, I did try that shampoo and conditioner and I had no issues with it. It did work well on my hair. So I'm a little familiar with their products. I'm just saying I'm in the know as far as PHYTO. You see what I'm saying? Okay. Anyway, according to Mr. Alace, there is no such thing as bad hair, only poorly treated hair. I'm with that, and I totally agree. So the company is really behind hair care wellness, and in doing that, they employ plant-based ingredients. Falling right in line with that, their relaxer is no different. Again, it does not contain harsh chemicals, so it's hydroxide-free, as well as paraben-free, sulfate, silicone, as well as gluten-free for all those who are into gluten-free products. So instead of all the harsh chemicals, listen to this, it uses eggs, soy, as well as shiitake mushrooms to help do the job. Those key ingredients to help relax the hair. So in doing so, it doesn't have that chemical smell, so it's odorless, as well as it is supposed to be gentle on the hair and can be used on colored hair, okay? Hair that has been dyed previously. Now we know that with relaxers, you have to be careful with double processes. So if you have a relaxer, you have to be careful with coloring your hair or dyeing your hair and vice versa. So with this particular relaxer, it is supposed to be color safe. And not only that, it comes with the whole kit and caboodle, honey. So in the relaxer kit, it comes with the caboodle. I'm just saying. You know how some relaxers, it comes with maybe this and maybe that. Like with mine that I use Precise. It doesn't come with the neutralizing shampoo, okay? It just comes with just the relaxer and the activator. So like those particular relaxers, instead of it coming with just this or with that, it comes with this, that, and the other. You see what I'm saying? It comes with everything within that box. So it comes with a pre-balming, okay? So this is a solution that's used to base the scalp and the areas. You know how we, as kitchen beauticians, and how most people, when they relax, they use some type of petroleum around their perimeter just to prevent early burning or burning at all. Well, this comes with that. So you don't even have to do all that. You don't ain't got to do no Vaseline or nothing. It comes in the box, honey. I'm just trying to tell you. As well as it comes with the neutralizer shampoo, in addition to the relaxing cream. It also comes with a conditioner, which is referred to as the Milky Restructurer. So that's the aftercare. You're supposed to put this on your hair as the treatment after relaxing your hair. They give you the whole shebang, okay? You don't have to outsource for anything. One-stop shopping. It's all in the box. So when I heard about that, I was pretty impressed. I really was. Now, I will say as a caveat, for those who are looking to get their hair bone straight, this may not be for you, as this is supposed to get your hair about 95% straight. So there's a little bit of texture left in your hair. So again, for those who are looking for bone straight, and when I say bone straight, when you relax your hair, you're still going to have some texture to your hair regardless. I know that I do. Even though people consider me straightening my hair as bone straight. But compared to texturized hair, I guess my hair would be bone straight. So with that being said, if you're looking for something that leaves a little bit more texture to your hair, not necessarily texturized, but it's not bone straight, this may be for you. And you're looking for something that's not using harsh chemicals, this may be for you. But it's worth noting that it does not give you bone straight results. And again, I'm saying bone straight results. But it is very effective in straightening your hair. The other thing worth noting is that, for those who are just, they keep two eyes on their coins, not just one eye, but two eyes on their coins, and they watch it very, very closely. The price point on this particular relaxer is a little high, as it's around $60. I want to say about $65, depending on where you buy it. So just to be aware of that. Now, remember, you do get everything in the box, but the price is just a little bit high than what you may find at the beauty supply store, what you may be used to. But still, it may be worth checking out. If you have been on the fence, maybe you're natural and you're a little like my mom, wary of chemicals, or at least harsh chemicals, it may be worth checking out if you've been thinking about relaxing your hair but wasn't sure. And like I said, it is readily available. You can find it online through their site, as well as it is sold at Nordstrom's department stores. And so they're very fancy indeed. But if you are interested, again, you may want to check it out. And it comes in two different, I want to say strengths, but I'll say versions, okay, because that's how they put it. Comes in two different versions. There's an Index 1, which is for fine hair, for fine and color treated, and Index 2 for coarse. Now, let me just tell y'all, okay, I don't have any skin in this game. This video is not sponsored. All this is all me talking. But I wanted to bring this option because, again, we've heard about chemical free, and there's been some, dealings in the past where it wasn't necessarily true. And some people, there's been some lawsuits and this and that because people were eating relaxers on TV because it was sold as totally safe to eat and because it's all natural and didn't turn out to be true. Okay, we're not going to drop no names, but those who know. Anyway, but this one has been vetted, and this one is tried and true as far as backing up its claims for being made of natural ingredients, plant-based ingredients, and non-harsh chemicals that actually effectively relaxes textured hair. If you want to peruse at your leisure, I'll have the link down below so you can check it out for yourself. I think they're also sold on Amazon. But let me know what you think, okay? Let me know what you think. Would you use this particular relaxer? Does that appeal to you for those who have been thinking about it? And for all those who already use it, please drop a dime down below and let us know how you like it, because I'm pretty curious. Again, I've spoken to a young lady who uses it and she likes it a lot. But I'm curious how many people out there have used it, because like I said, it's very well known, but you don't hear a lot of people talking about it. So if you are one of those who have used it or is using it now, let us know how it is working on your tresses. Let us know how it's doing the do for you. So I think we done jibber-jabbered and bumped our gums. Well, I bumped my gums. Y'all just listening, so I can't rope y'all into that. I have bumped my gums long enough. So I think it's time for us to get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're going to do. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. So I need y'all to come right on back. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on